So this is the NinZaRenko. You see how clean it is? This is basically the basic strategy. I just happen to have these numbers here as part of another software that I'm using called MBox Wave. So anyways, if you're just using this without the MBox Wave, you're just using the MACD and the Keltner Channel. So this one here is basically what we use. That's your trend indicator. As long as you're above that, you keep on trading all the pullbacks and going back up, especially the pullbacks into the mid band or the 55 EMA. You can see that's golden. It's continuing going up. Again, I'm trading micros. I'll be trading more if it was a bigger account, but right now I'm 50K. 50K is actually pretty good. For beginners, I would recommend the 50K, just right for you guys. So anyways, you can see how this is nice and clean. What is the width from, let's say here, 4 o'clock? Let's say right around here, right? Right there. Okay. At this point, what is the width from the -2 to the +2, right? The -2 deviation, that's what I'm talking about. So we would measure that from here, right? This is the -2 deviation, and all the way up here. We need to get at least 300. Oops, wrong one. At least 300. And look where you are, 337. That's at least 50%. 50% of what? The average daily range, a 7-day average true range, I think, right? ATR. So what am I looking at in terms of what I'm talking about? This is what I'm talking about. So right here, I'm in Q. What is the 7-day ATR? 539. You take 50% of that. What is 50% of that? Around what, 250, at least a little over 250. And remember, I showed you what the measure, it's over 300. So that's more than 50% of your 7-day, meaning that's adequate enough for the volatility in the market. If it's less than 50%, probably range most of the time. Again, you know, like this is a nice clean chart with a Renko chart. This is a NinZaRenko, okay? There's a lot of good Renkos there. This is the only one I know that's actually really free. So here, you see this? We're getting fib, according to my software, these are algo signals, meaning we get a pullback, and those are actually good signals to trade. Like here, when you have the pullback right there, there's a signal. Again, there's a Three Stooges. Again, these are adequate enough signals right here. Pullback, those are good signals to trade. You trade that, you see your stop is here, continue going up, going with this trend right here. So it's actually pretty cool. So there, this is going to continue going up. I don't want to be chasing this. I want to see a pullback, and I don't think I'm going to wait. It's around 5 o'clock where it's coming close to the dead zone. So anyways, 300 trading, starting off with 3 micro contracts on MNQ. I'm happy with that, trading a 50K PA on Apex. See you then. Hope you guys are green. Peace and God bless.